looking at some of the really cool things here at the ASD show, and that brought me over to the Cooletti booth. Now this is a bucket top, which will allow you to have your beverages. Well, let's take a look at one in action here. Have your beverages, and you see that it has a pole insert in the middle, so you can put your umbrella up above. That insert can be removed, put in different size umbrellas and such, but it's just a really kind of a neat way to be able to use your 5-gallon bucket, put some sand in there, heck, you can put ice in there, fill that thing full of ice, and then you can put your umbrella in there and you can have your drinks, and it'll keep them a little cooler and such. Just kind of a neat little idea here at the ASD show. For more information, you can go out and check it out at Cooletti Live, Cooletti.live. For more information, you can go out to Cooletti.live and check it out, or we'll put links in the bottom where you can go out and you can purchase the Cooletti here for your outdoor fun.